Best deals. Made from durable, high-grade plastic, stainless steel, this holder ensures long-lasting use. Its sleek and modern design adds a sophisticated touch to your bathroom decor. The sturdy construction resists wear and tear, even in humid conditions. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Towel ring. With modern concise design, the self-adhesive towel ring looks awesome and can be used for different bathroom decor. The concise design makes the adhesive towel holder much more beautiful and elegant. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Towel holder. This sleek napkin holder isn't just for bathrooms. Use it as a hand towel holder for your wash basin, a handy spot for kitchen napkins, or anywhere you need a convenient towel rack. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Towel holder. You can simply peel off the backing and stick the ring to any smooth surface, eliminating the need for drilling, screws, or additional tools. This makes it a convenient option for renters or those who prefer a setup. It's suitable even for corner space in your bathroom or kitchen rooms. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Towel ring. It can accommodate up to 2 towels in the towel ring, one over the above. The product comes with 2 holes at the bottom for hanging purpose. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Hanger. Made of metal, the over door hook never rusts, and its durability ensures it remains looking its best for longer. The sturdy organizer is made of metal, which makes it waterproof, rust-proof. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Corner shelf. Water filtration function with hollow strip design in the bathroom corner shelf for wall. The water can be drained quickly and prevent the breeding of bacteria. Suitable for glass, tile, stainless steel surface. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Shower caddy. This plastic caddy is made using superior grade, highly durable materials, a combination of heavy-duty ABS and PVC, being easy to clean. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Caddy basket. It is a multifunctional shampoo shelf, hanging shampoo holder for shower in the bathroom. Widely used for storage shampoo combo, conditioner, skincare, towels, duster, kitchen utensil, and household wear. Easy to install with powerful adhesive technology, no need for tools, no need screws, no holes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dryer holder. This high-quality wall-mounted hair dryer holder is easy to drill and install and ready to use, helping you enjoy a convenient life. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Storage rack. Crafted from high-quality materials, this kitchen rack offers both durability and elegance. The kitchen accessories add a touch of sophistication to your bathroom decor, designed to keep your essentials neatly arranged. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Hair dryer holder. This high-quality wall-mounted hair dryer holder is easy to drill and install and ready to use. Organizer allows you to neatly store hair dryers, straighteners, curlers, makeup brushes, and razors. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Broom holder. With screws drilling installation fit to wall easily and never worry the hanger will fall down on the next morning. The broom hanger organize your broom closet, kitchen, garage, garden, basement, or laundry room with this sturdy and versatile storage solution. Also ideal for garden and yard tools rack storage and organizer. The friction grips clamp down securely on broom handles, adjusting automatically to the handle's thickness. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Corner shelf. Features a luxurious gold finish. Enjoy an easy and drill-free installation with self-adhesive hooks. This bathroom corner shelf for wall sticks firmly, providing a hassle-free setup without damaging your walls. Ideal for use as a corner shelf for kitchen or washroom organizer. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soap holder. Made from high-quality matte black plastic material that resists rust and daily wear and tear, features a convenient hook for hanging washcloths or loofers, maximizing bathroom organization. Spacious tray accommodates standard-sized soap bars, sponges, and scrubbers with raised edges to prevent items from sliding. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toothbrush holder. Featuring multiple compartments, this toothbrush holder with storage can hold toothbrushes, toothpaste, razors, combs, and even small toiletries like creams. The wall-mounted toothbrush kit is all pre-assembled. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Corner shelf. Keep your kitchen or bathroom organized and clean. Compact yet have sufficient capacity for holding shampoo, conditioner, kitchen spice bottle to meet your different demands. Ideal for kitchen, bathrooms, guest bathrooms and powder rooms. Steel body makes it rust-proof and durable. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal, to install your magic sticker. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Trash can. It is collapsible, saves more space and is very easy to use. The container is made of high-quality plastic. Thick material, large load capacity, easy to handle all kinds of waste. U-shaped slot, just place the trash can on cabinet doors or drawers less than 2.2 centimeters thick. Not only for the kitchen, but also for cars, bathrooms, bedrooms, offices. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Shelf. The thick railing on the shelf ensures that it holds big objects. These bathroom shelves are designed for organizing your ideal corner spaces, ideal for storing your bath essentials like shampoo, body wash, cream, soap and more with its curved W shape. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Towel holder. This simple plastic towel hanger is widely used in bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, refrigerator and any smooth surface places. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Mop holder. Made of high-quality sus stainless steel, waterproof and rust-proof. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Organizer shelf. Easily install this shelf anywhere in your bathroom without tools, just peel and stick. Provide additional storage space in your bathroom for toiletries, towels and accessories. Strong adhesive backing and ABS plastic construction can hold up to 5 kgs of belongings. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Corner shelf. The bathroom and kitchen storage organizer is only suitable for 90 degrees corners. Keep your bathroom and toilet clean and tidy from all the soap, shampoos, and products that find their way in. Shelf is composed of high-quality stainless steel and is finished with a non-fading, scratch-resistant metal spray paint protective layer on the surface. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Shelves. Made from heavy-duty plastic that lasts and lasts. These bathroom shelves not only hold all your toiletries with ease, they make the bathroom look that much better. Waterproof and high load-bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. It's crafted from strong material that lasts long after times of use. Product link is given in the 23rd link.